Premier League's new boys are here. Coventry, Ipswich, and Hull, can they survive? Soccer Police. The 2026-27 Premier League season is about to begin, and three newly promoted clubs are ready for the biggest challenge in English football: Coventry City, Ipswich Town, and Hull City. But who has the best chance of surviving? Blue Circle Coventry City, the champions are back. Coventry City returned to the Premier League after an incredible 25-year absence. Frank Lampard guided the Sky Blues to the 2025-26 championship title, finishing with 95 points from 46 matches and an impressive 97 goals. Their return could hardly be tougher. Coventry's opening Premier League match is away against reigning champions Arsenal before they face Manchester City. There is also a major concern. Striker Haji Wright, who scored 17 championship goals last season, is expected to miss a significant period because of a quad injury. Still, Coventry have already strengthened their squad, including the signing of teenage forward Siddiqui Cherif from Fenerbahce. Blue Circle Ipswich Town, a second chance. Ipswich are back in the Premier League immediately after their 2025 relegation. They finished second in the championship with 84 points, earning automatic promotion alongside Coventry. This time, the Tractor Boys are taking a very different approach. Kieran McKenna has left the club, with Gary O'Neill appointed as the new manager. O'Neill previously kept Bournemouth and Wolves in the Premier League and arrives with valuable top-flight experience. Ipswich have also invested heavily in their squad. Their latest major move saw them bring back Julio Enciso, signing the Paraguay international from Strasbourg on a 5-year deal. Their first league game is at home against fellow promoted side Sunderland, a huge early opportunity to make a statement. Hull City, the biggest surprise. Hull City completed the promoted trio after beating Middlesbrough 1-0 in the championship playoff final at Wembley. Oli McBurney's stoppage-time goal sent the Tigers back to the Premier League after 9 years away. Manager Sergej Jakirovic deserves huge credit. Hull had been far from obvious promotion favorites, but they secured 6th place before winning the playoffs. Now comes the real test. Hull's opening match is against Manchester United at the MKM Stadium, followed by a trip to Coventry. They will also face Chelsea and Newcastle early in the campaign. Hull have made significant changes to their squad, bringing in players including Haidmasa Morita, Matt Targett, Jack Butland, and Konstantinos Tzalakis. Fire, who will survive? History shows just how difficult this challenge will be. All three promoted clubs were relegated in each of the previous 2 Premier League seasons, although Sunderland and Leeds proved last season that promoted teams can absolutely survive and even exceed expectations. Coventry have momentum and the confidence of championship champions. Ipswich have invested heavily and now have an experienced Premier League manager. Hull have the underdog mentality and nothing to lose. So the big question is, which of these 3 new boys will still be in the Premier League next season? The 2026-27 campaign is about to provide the answer. Soccer Fire.